Hello, my little superstars. Today we are going to read sentences. Today is Mia's birthday party again. Today is Mia's birthday party. Your turn to read. Very good. Balloons and cake look beautiful. Again. Balloons and cake look beautiful. Your turn to read. Very good. Friends came with colorful gifts. Again. Friends came with colorful gifts. Your turn to read. Very good. Everyone sang and danced happily. Again. Everyone sang and danced happily. Your turn to read. Very good. Mia smiled and thanked everyone. Again. Mia smiled and thanked everyone. Your turn to read. Very good. You did amazing today. Do subscribe to my channel.